So hello, and let's see how to create a graphic user interface with Pygame. Entirely with Pygame, we want to create something very interesting. There is something like a PowerPoint presentation, something tutorial. This is the second tutorial of this series that we can just upload an image like this, make it run in this way. You see here slide direction left. Let's see if it works in the other direction, and it is from right. Let's see if what happens with top. Okay, seems to work. Let me top if it works also in diagonal. Okay, seems to work. As you see here, when you reach the okay, let me see bottom. Let it move. You see here? Perfect, I like it. So it is kinda good. Now we could ask Claude to make something also like to give it a certain velocity. Here he has put a limit to 60 frames per second, but the velocity I don't see if okay, let's get back to Claude, where with the Pygame GUI centered image. Let's see if we can continue from here. Add an argument to make the slide of the image faster or slower. Also limit the clock to 60 frames per second. Also in the main file. Let's see what we got. Okay, this is the image slider. I see if he has a way understood to put a way to left. Now you see here slide speed 5. Okay, so let's see if it put the clock. Here is clock tick 60. Perfect. I don't want to do it by myself because otherwise he may lose the where we are. So now let's make a version 02 of this. This is the main.py file, I think. I don't know if I the image. I forgot to tell him to do this, but okay, we're gonna change it manually. So that is why I told him to do the clock thing, because otherwise he doesn't know that I made that change if I don't say it to him. So now let's say this how is it? I want to change the name to slider because I don't remember image slider. .py. Okay, let's go in the main. Now we should, let's see if this works. Okay, this is the velocity at 5. Let's see, now we should be able to improve it, or let's see, 15. Okay, it's faster. Let's put it to 1. Okay, it's very slow, so we added another parameter to make it the way we want. So there is another personalization about this thing. So as you can see, it is very interesting, this thing. So let's see if we can do it in 2 different directions, just to let's see what happens if I do this. Let's see how this happens. That scale target. How is it that the while loop is into this one? You see here there is this while true. It is making and so I cannot run two in the same time, two different. Let's see what happens if I want to do another transition. Okay, let's see what happens if I put two transitions like here. Always, let's see, of the same image. Let's make it faster, because I want to. Okay, he has made it twice, so it's kinda good. Let's see if we do slide speed equal 5. If we can change the speed. No, I made a mistake here, typo. Okay, so it's yeah, interesting. It can do multiple can slide multiple times the things. Cannot do together. Maybe we don't want, because this could be an idea to make something like an introduction, something like this. And we haven't changed the image. The image that is, it's the scale. The image that is the second parameter. So we could also change the. You see, here is the image loaded. Yeah, but we can also change the image, and so we should let's take another image. Let's see if let's go back to Bing. It's always a PNG, so we will put this one into to see if we can we can also call it image, substitute the first one with the second one. I don't know if it's better like this or not. Okay, let's do this so we will not waste memory, let's say so, but we could have called it with another name. And let's put it to something like 8, the same velocity. And let's have some other image approximately of the same size, but we wanna, of course, then change. Put this one here, put this one here, copy this, make another one of this, and then image. Okay, the first one is this one. Then I want to put 0, 1, 0. How I call them? 0, 2. Okay, 0, 2, 0, 3. 0.4 and 0.5, and let's see what happens. I gotta make this change. Depth. let me put it as global, these images, so that I can use the other side of the function. Okay, and it's just load. It will go to that function. And for the first one, we should go first one. Let's see if it works. It's an error. There is a global. Yes, of course. So ENG and ENG like this. Image width is not defined at line 29. Yes, I forget to the width. Image width is not defined. We don't need this as a target Y and target X. Okay. Okay, that's all for the second tutorial. See you tomorrow for the third one. Bye.